Hi, welcome. We are going to talk about living in Crockett, California today. So Crockett, California is an unincorporated community located in Contra, Costa County in the San Francisco Bay Area, and it is nestled along the Carquinez Strait. So Crockett is known for its scenic views, historic charm, and its small town atmosphere. The location, so the distance between Sacramento and Crockett, California is approximately 60 to 70 miles. So that's depending on the specific route taken, and the drive usually takes about 1 hour to 1.5 hours by car. The distance from San Francisco to Crockett is about 30 to 35 miles, and that drive typically takes about 40 minutes to an hour. The distance from San Jose to Crockett is approximately 70 to 75 miles. So that drive usually takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on that traffic. So let's chat about a little bit about Crockett and its history. Crockett was founded in the late 19th century, and it gained prominence due to its proximity to that Carquinez Bridge, and also the establishment of the C&H Sugar Factory in 1906. So the refinery has been a major employer in that area, and it remains a significant part of Crockett's identity. With a population of around 3,000 residents, Crockett offers a close-knit community where people enjoy a quiet, slower pace compared to the nearby bustling cities. So the town features a mix of historic homes, many with views of the Carquinez Strait and the surrounding hills. So the architect reflects its industrial heritage, with many buildings dating back to the earliest 20th century. And Crockett is known for its outdoor activities, including hiking and biking. The nearby Carquinez Strait regional shoreline offers trails with stunning views of the water and the surrounding landscapes. The town also has a rich cultural scene with local events and galleries and community organizations. So let's chat about climate. Crockett typically experiences a Mediterranean climate characterized by mild, wet winters and warm, dry summers. So during the summer, Crockett is warm with an average high temperature ranging from the mid-70s to mid-80s. During the fall remains warm in the early months, with temperatures gradually cooling down, and as winter approaches, it has a high range from the 70s to the 60s. So winters are mild and wet, with an average high temperature in the mid-50s to low 60s. Springtime, so spring will see a gradual warming of temperatures, with the highs ranging from the 60s to 70s, and rainfall decreases and the landscapes become vibrant as plants and flowers bloom. They also do experience wind and fog, and that's due to the location of the water. It can experience breezy conditions, especially in the late afternoon and evening. Also, so fog is also common, particularly in the summer months, rolling in from the San Francisco Bay Area, and it contributes to cooler mornings and evenings. So entertainment. Crockett, California offers a variety of activities that reflects its unique blend of history, nature, and beauty, and a community spirit. So here are some things to do in Crockett. So Crockett Hills Regional Park, it's a beautiful natural area offering hiking, biking, and horseback riding trails. The park features rolling hills, grasslands, and scenic views of the Carquinez Strait and the surrounding Bay Area. It's a perfect spot for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy exploring nature. Now, the Crockett Museum. This small but informative museum provides insights into the history of Crockett, including town's industrial heritage, which is the C&H Sugar Factory, and local culture. It's a great place to learn about the community's past and see artifacts that tell the history of Crockett's development over the years. The Carquinez Model Railroad Society. So this is located in downtown Crockett. This model railroad exhibit is a must-see for the train enthusiasts. The Carquinez Model Railroad Society maintains an impressive and detailed model train layout that reflects the regional trail history. It's a fun and educational experience for all visitors, for all ages. Now the Eckley Pier, it's a peaceful spot along the Carquinez Strait. Eckley Pier is ideal for fishing, picnicking, or simply enjoying the view. The pier is part of the Carquinez Strait regional shoreline, and it offers a serene setting with stunning waterfront scenery. It's a great place to relax and connect with nature. Toots Tavern, a local favorite. Toots Tavern is a historic bar with a lively atmosphere. It's a popular spot for live music featuring local bands and a mix of genres. The tavern has been a part of Crockett's nightlife for decades, and it offers a unique laid-back environment where you can enjoy a drink and some entertainment. Explore the Carquinez Strait regional shoreline. In addition to Eckley Pier, the Carquinez Strait regional shoreline offers a variety of trails with panoramic views of the water and the bridge in the surrounding area. It's perfect for hiking, bird watching, and enjoying the natural beauty of the Bay Area. Or you can visit the Dead Fish. It's a well-known dining spot in Crockett. The Dead Fish offers a range of seafood dishes, including their famous crab. The restaurant is perched on a hillside, providing diners with spectacular views of the water. Take a stroll through Crockett's historic downtown area where you can explore the shops, cafes, and unique charm of this small town. And the downtown area really reflects Crockett's rich history and offers a relaxed environment to enjoy. So let's chat about hospitals. So Crockett is a small community and there are no major hospitals directly within that town. However, there are several hospitals and medical centers located in nearby cities that serve the residents of Crockett, and here are some of the closest options. There is Kaiser Permanente in Vallejo. There's a John Muir Health Center in Concord. There's a Sutter Solano Medical Center in Vallejo. There's a Contra Costa Regional Medical Center in Martinez. There's a Kaiser Permanente Richmond Medical Center in Richmond. So let's chat about schools. Crockett is a small town community, so the educational options within the town itself are limited. However, there are a few schools that serve the population. And here's an overview of the schools in that around Crockett. John Swett High School is the main public high school serving Crockett and surrounding communities. It offers a variety of academic programs and extracurricular activities and sports. Carquinez Middle School, it's a public middle school and it serves grades 6 through 8. It's located adjacent to John Swett High School, and the middle school serves students from Crockett and neighboring cities as well. This school focuses on providing a strong academic foundation and offers a variety of clubs and activities. Transportation. So most residents rely on personal vehicles for transportation in Crockett, but there is a nearby major highway, and it includes Interstate 80, I-80, and it provides access to nearby cities like Vallejo, Martinez, and San Francisco. So public transportation, there is WestCat, and it's a bus service that operates routes that connect Crockett to neighboring towns and transit hubs. BART stations. So BART is a Bay Area Rapid Transit, and they don't have their own station, but you can take a WestCat bus to a nearby station, which is El Cerrito del Norte, or Richmond BART stations to access the broader Bay Area. Now, last but not least, let's talk about housing. Home prices. So as of recent data, home prices in Crockett tend to be higher than the national average due to its location in the Bay Area, which has a competitive real estate market. So prices can vary significantly based on the factors such as the size of the home, its condition, and its proximity to amenities and scenic views. So the market in Crockett can be competitive with with homes sometimes selling quickly, this is influenced by its desirable location and near the water, and to its proximity closer to the larger cities such as Vallejo and Martinez. So as of August 2024, Crockett homes have sold for about $800,000 price average, and for average rental, it's about $2,100 per month for a 2-bedroom apartment. So if you are interested in locating over to Crockett, California, let's connect. Or if you do currently live in Crockett and I have missed something, drop that information down below in the comments. And also, if you want a free market analysis, let's connect and I can send you one over the same day. Thanks for watching.